Well, hello everybody. It has been a bit of a busy day for me. I had my session with my physical therapist and I was in a lot of pain. I think I've been sitting too much, probably working on all the designs and doing all of that. So I've been spending a lot of time in that kind of a mode. And he suggested to me that I kind of set a timer and try to get up every half hour for just a minute or two just to walk around, just to not get stiff and have my muscles all kind of tightened up. So I had my session. It was a good session, and I love this man. I told you I'm going to be showing you a session with me there. Couldn't do it today because it was too busy there, and we certainly don't want to get anybody else in the video because they would have had to have agreed to be in it, and either they will be or won't be. So in that case, I'll get it done, but couldn't do it today. I then wound up going out to lunch, and it's my first lunch in a while, and it was just a local place, not much, but it was so good getting out a little bit and just enjoying some time with my friend Jackie, who took a look at my site and loved it, by the way. And then when I came home, this package was waiting for me. Look at this package. OMG. I'm afraid to open it. This could be a very happy day or a very scary day because it's the first time I'm going to get to see the quality of what they're doing with my stuff, and I'm scared. So do me a favor. As I prepare to open this, say a little prayer for me. Fingers and toes crossed that this is something good. And here we go. I'm opening it, folks. Oh my God, please let it be good. Please, please. All right, so they're packing this stuff in poly bags. Oh my God, the design came out so dark. Okay, I'm gonna have to adjust for color in the future. That's something good to know. This was a very pretty blue, and it came out very, very dark. Oh, actually it came out light in some places and dark in others. That's not so good. Oh dear. Part of it light, part of it dark. Oh, this is on, oh, I'm sorry, this is on the leggings. Oh, actually, so no, it looks good. It looks good. Oh, it looks good. OMG, son of a gun. And here is the label inside. Okay, so the label is printing black and white. And my label is not black and white, so I need to know that for the future. And I need to make it bigger. It's too small. It's not showing up right. These are things I need to learn. I ordered this in a medium to try, and the medium looks a little bit small to me, so I'm going to try it on, and I'm going to do a little bit of a modeling kind of thing for you. If I can get it on, it looks a little small. So we shall see. And I ordered the top piece because I needed to try it to make sure that it's going to be good for everybody, because if it's good, I'm going to be selling a lot of these in the store. And I've done some what I think are really pretty designs. So I'm just hoping that they work out as well as I hope they will. I'm a little nervous about it, but this is the deal. And this is the design. So my very first, I am so excited. I will tell you, it's looking a little on the small side. This is also a medium. So the next thing I have to do, folks, is I'm going to have to try this on for you. And then I just got a shirt that gives me colors, so I can check the colors and make sure that I'm getting the designs as close to the colors as I am showing them, so that they print up the way that they look. This definitely is a little bit different color, but it's pretty. Keep your fingers and toes crossed for me. I'm a little excited, but I'm scared to death. So I'll be back when I actually have something to show you. Fingers crossed it fits. May or may not. I'll be back. Hi, everybody. Well, I put the outfit on. This is my first time having it on. So take a look. I'm going to show it to you from here and give you as long a shot as I can. So here you go. The tights feel really good, the leggings. They have a very nice feel. They hold me in well. They are not overly heavy. This was the thinner of the two options I had for doing this. This one is the regular one. I'm going to also try to create pairs of the yoga leggings because that's a little bit heavier, and I'm going to give that one a try. I didn't do that one because it was a more expensive garment, so I chose to go this way for now. This entire outfit is a size medium. I weigh probably about 150 pounds at this point, and it fits me perfectly. I think I might have even been able to get away with a small on the top just to give you a frame of reference. So I'm going to say to you that the sizes run pretty true to size, my experience. And again, you're not seeing it all the way down to the bottom of the pant leg, but it is really good. It's got a nice feel on it, gives me plenty of flexibility so that I can do what I need to do. And now I'm going to style it for you and show you. I'm really loving this design. I'm loving the design. I'm loving the colors. And I would love for you to tell me what you think. I'm very excited. I really am. So I am going to, now at least I know that I'm headed in the right direction. This is the back. And once again, you know, it's all trial and error in the beginning. This is the very, very beginning. I just opened my store. I just had my first few orders from the store, and I'm grateful for that. And now that I got my own that I had ordered for myself to check the quality and to check the work that they did, I would say that I am happy with it, at least so far. I love this top. I did this top in so many different designs. My biggest issue is going to be how am I going to stay away from it myself, from ordering all of the ones that I want. It has a lot of stretch in it. It really has a lot of stretch. And they say it's a fall waist stretch, so it holds its shape. I think it makes me look slimmer than I think that I am. And I'm just really excited about it. Now, if I had a plain blue scarf, this would look fantastic with a blue scarf. And it would look nice with a dropped belt. The only dropped belt I have is in black, and it really isn't what I would necessarily wear. But I want to show it to you also with a jacket. This would look great with a jeans jacket. I have mixing pieces with this, so I also have a skirt that goes with it. I don't remember if I did this one in shorts. I have to take a look, but I might have. It was one of my earlier designs. And I'm just very excited. I'm really excited. I hope you like it as much as I do. And this is it, guys. I was so nervous about this because I felt like everything was riding on how well it looked, and I am definitely happy with it. And I'm going to get better and better as time goes by. This is my very first foray into this part of the design world, and I am excited, folks. I am really excited. Here's a look at the back. I'm looking in the long mirror myself, and I'm really happy with the look that I get in the long mirror. I think it makes me look good, and it makes me look sleek, and it makes me look slimmer. They did say that it was slimming the fabric, so it's all good. I'm delighted, and as I say, I was so worried. All right, I'm going to come back and I'm going to style it a little bit for you, so I'll show you that, and we'll take it from there. Okay, hi everybody. I didn't have my chunky blue necklace down here, but I did have a gold necklace with a blue design on it, and this works well also. I would definitely take the belt off for this one and just wear it with this necklace, but it will look wonderful with a chunky blue necklace. It would look great with a chunky cream color necklace as well. And this is with a plain jeans jacket. This is a very dark jeans jacket. My choice would probably be something lighter. This is a very short one. My choice would be a longer one, and I do have them, but I'm just trying to show you how you can pair the look if you wanted to do something else. And as I say, this comes with the top and a skirt. A skirt is another option, so this would be a great look with a jacket of this length with the skirt as the other option. And I think I'm going to also do this one in a dress because I have that option as well, and I think it looks really nice. I think it does. I mean, this is a really great look. Well, first time out, so I think it's pretty good for the first time out. I'm excited. I really hope that you think it's as good as I do. I think I want a whole wardrobe of these tops for the summer. I will tell you, it's lightweight for those of you who really deal with heat in the summer. This would be great on its own. For those of you who like to wear a jacket over something, this is a great starter piece to have a jacket over. So again, I'm kind of excited. I'm really kind of excited. So for me, I think it's a thumbs up. You have to tell me what you think. Hi. Okay, and here is another look that you can wear with this. You can wear, I just vacuumed the floor, so forgive me. You can wear a long cardigan, kind of a sweater over it. I wouldn't have chosen this color. I would have chosen something probably in a navy blue. I could do something in a brown, I could do something in a black, but this, you certainly can do this as well. This is definitely another option. So it's a way to go. And I did change out the necklace for something that has a nice navy and white kind of look to it. And I'm going to take this off and change it for another necklace, or possibly two, that will also go with the look. And let's see if I can double these up. I'm not sure it's going to work, but we'll find out. The only way you know if something's going to work is by trying it. So it either will or it will not. They are really similar in length, so my guess is they don't work together. So in this case, it would be one or the other. And I think maybe for this particular outfit, I would go with this one because it has a really nice chunky kind of look here. So once again, this is a really pretty look with a long cardigan. And again, I would love it if I had a dark blue scarf to wear at the neck. That would be great. And I'm going to show you one. Okay, so starting it again, and this will give you a look with, again, a long jacket. This is a Chico's jacket, and it is in brown. It is faux suede. It has a really great feel to it. It has a 3/4 sleeve. It also has zippers on the side, so it's got a little bit of a detail here. And you could have the zipper open or closed. I would keep it closed, but you have the option. So once again, to have the, I have to tell you, I wore this for a few hours because I wanted to see how comfortable it was over time. It's incredibly comfortable. It really is incredibly comfortable. It's almost feeling like you would feel in a pair of pajamas, that kind of comfortable. So it's really nice. I'm liking it a lot. They hold their shape. They're not the tiniest bit tight. And it's really nice. I'm extremely happy with the look. So I just wanted to show you one more way to go. I think it would be good if I had a tripod that got me up a little higher. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video with my first outfit made and tested And I will be making a few changes to the others. I can see that. I can see the way it prints. And I just want to make sure that I am getting the very best that I can possibly do. I'm loving this look. I really am. And if nobody steals my design, this is a unique, one-of-a-kind look. As are all of my designs. I have designed every one of them myself. And it is what it is. So I'm happy. I'm happy. I hope you think it's good. I hope I'm not being delusional. And I love getting my first package with my little, isn't that nice? Son of a gun. So, very good so far. Let me know what you think. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. Have a great day.